guys. Thank you so much. You guys should follow Learn with RC. Thank you.
Guys, today we are at the College of Education in Nsugbe. Nwafor College of Education in Nsugbe. What is the plural of the word mouse?
Mice.
Correct. Okay. What is the difference between ground and floor?
That's same. It's because of the sand.
No.
Side, inside and outside.
Okay, good. So ground basically is the surface of the earth. All right. Floor is the surface in the house or in a room or in a building on which you move. So that's the difference between the two of them. Number three. What is the world's smallest country? Vatican City. Correct. What country has won the most World Cup? No. A country that has won the
Nigeria.
Not Nigeria. A country. Brazil. Good one. How often does a leap year occur? A leap year.
4 years.
Every 4 years. Good. Okay. So a group of fish is called. A group of fish is called like a bunch of banana. It's a group of banana. A bunch of banana. A group of frogs. An army of frogs. So what do we call a group of fish? No. A group of fish. A group of cattle. A head of cattle. So a group of fish now. A school of fish. A school of fish. Yes.
Yes.
The shilling, that's a currency. Shilling. The shilling is used in what region of Africa? North Africa, South Africa, West Africa, East, or Central Africa?
West Africa.
The shilling is not north, it's not west. It is in East Africa. It's used in Tanzania, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, Somaliland. Yeah. So the next question. What is the official language of Brazil? Portuguese. Okay. Mention any 3 metals.
Metals.
Yes.
Iron.
Aluminium, iron. Yeah. 3. You must mention 3.
Iron, aluminium, and cylinder. Plastic.
No, cylinder is not even a metal. You mentioned 1. You mentioned 2.
Copper.
Good. 3. Okay. So New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of what country? New Delhi is the capital of what country?
New Delhi.
Yeah.
India.
India. Correct. Really?
Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. You guys should follow Learn with RC. Thank you.